Welcome back, Kryptonians. In this video we're going to give you some valuable insights into how buying and selling occurs in the markets over the longer term. We're looking at the monthly chart going all the way back to 2017, and more specifically we are going to take you on the journey of the millionaire who bought Bitcoin early and then sold it at the 64,000 top. Now, whilst we do this, I want you to imagine that you are the millionaire, because when you step into those shoes and start to think like a rich person, you will quickly become the millionaire that you want to be. Before we continue, hit that like and subscribe button to show your appreciation. Done? Great, let's continue. So, the millionaire decides to buy Bitcoin when it hits around about 4,000. To keep the math simple, let's say that your average price was around about 6,000. So as a rich person, you know you've got the right mindset. You buy low and aim to sell high to get rich, more rich. So you bought here, roughly, okay? And you decide to sell Bitcoin when it hits around about 60,000, okay? So we're keeping the maths very simple. You bought at roughly 6,000, you're selling at roughly 60,000. So you've 10x'd your money. Now, as a true believer in Bitcoin, we're going to also presume that you're not selling all of your bag of Bitcoin. So suppose you bought 100 at around 6,000. You're going to be selling, let's say, 10 or 20%, not all of your bag. Okay? So it's simple, right? So you bought it at 6,000, you're selling at 60,000, job done. Simple, right? Not quite. What was bought at 6,000 is now worth 60,000. So it's worth 10 times as much. Think of it as 10 times as many cans that you need to sell. Can you really expect to sell it in the same amount of time that you bought it? Let's look at this logically. So you bought it over, let's just say 15 months, okay? You bought this over 15 months and you're going to need at least, well, you're going to need a lot more time than 15 months in which to sell your Bitcoin. After all, it's worth 10 times as much. Well done. Okay. So you start selling. You start here and you sell right there. You sell again when it gets to around about 69,000, and that's not even taking you to the same amount of time that it took you to buy Bitcoin. Okay, now you'll notice no selling is occurring at those levels after the first two twin peaks occurred. Okay, this is 15 months, this is 16 months. Okay, right, so this is the same amount of time that's passed to sell 10 times as much as you bought. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. And here we are. That's the first selling bar at 36 months. Okay. So I want you to understand that the fact that it takes more time to sell, the bigger the bag. Okay, it's very simple when you look at it logically like that, isn't it? Okay, so can you really expect to sell everything here when this duration was actually very short? You need more time. You need a lot more time. So I'm going to ask you the question because you're the millionaire here. Okay, you need more time. This was 15 months around here, 16 months, and we're at 36 months here. Okay, are you buying or are you selling? Are you buying or selling, Mr. Millionaire? Because you said that you needed more time to sell because you've got a huge bag to sell. And I'm going to leave that with you. Okay, now we gave you some valuable insights, so please give this video a thumbs up, share it and subscribe. And if you'd like more valuable insights like this, join us on patreon.com/chart experts. Till next time. Bye bye.